In this video, we will study the anatomical histology of cartilage. Cartilage is a flexible connective tissue. It is present in nose and ear. It is avascular. It means there is no blood supply in the cartilage. Cartilage is non-nervous structure, means no nerve supply inside it. Now coming to the structural component of cartilage. Cartilage is made up of cells, fibers, and ground substance. Cells of cartilage are mainly chondroblast and chondrocyte. Fibers of cartilage are mainly collagen and elastin also. Ground substance are mucopolysaccharide, chondroitin sulfate, keratin sulfate, and also hyaluronic acid. Now coming to the perichondrium. Perichondrium is a fibrovascular membrane that cover the outer surface of cartilage. Perichondrium have two types of layer, outer fibrous layer and inner cellular layer. Outer fibrous layer made up of dense irregular connective tissue and inner cellular layer present inside fibrous layer, and it have cells that may convert to chondrocyte. In adult cartilage, only fibrous layer is present. Now let us continue with types of cartilage. Cartilage differ each other on the basis of type and amount of collagen fiber present in them. There are three types of cartilage: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, and fibrocartilage. Now let us study hyaline cartilage in detail. In hyaline cartilage, perichondrium is present. It is the most abundant type of cartilage present in the body. Now the location of hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is present in embryonic skeleton, costal cartilage of ribs, nose, trachea, and larynx. Now structural component of hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage also have cells, fiber, and ground substance. Cells of hyaline cartilage derived from undifferentiated mesenchymal cells. These are chondroblast and chondrocyte. Chondrocyte is present in the lacunae. Let us see the microscopic structure of hyaline cartilage. Most outer layer is perichondrium. Inside perichondrium, we can easily see the cells present in cluster or nest. Cluster are surrounded by the territorial matrix, and the space between these clusters of cells is called the interterritorial space. Chondrocyte produce collagen and ground substance that maintain the cartilage. Okay, now fiber. In hyaline cartilage, type 2 collagen fiber is present. Collagen fiber is also two types, thick and thin. Thick fiber has cross striation, whereas thin fiber form 3D network. Fiber constitute about 40% of dry weight of cartilage. Now to the ground substance. Ground substance of hyaline cartilage is highly basophilic homogeneous matrix. Basophilia of matrix is due to chondroitin and keratin sulfate. Main component is sulfated proteoglycans. Let's look a important point in which cartilage perichondrium is absent, that is costal cartilage, joint cavity, and epiphyseal plate. Thank you for watching and subscribe us.